Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two mini drones that promise to bring fun and excitement to your flying experience. Let's dive into our comparison of the Mini Drone and the DyineeFy Mini Drone. Let's start with the price. The Mini Drone is priced at $69, while the DyineeFy Mini Drone comes in at a more affordable $49. If you're on a budget, the DyineeFy Mini Drone might be the better option for you. Moving on to the camera capabilities. The Mini Drone is equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that is manually adjustable up to 90 degrees. It allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos, which can be easily shared on social media. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone doesn't have a built-in camera. So if capturing high-quality footage is important to you, the Mini Drone takes the lead in this category. Now let's talk about flight features. The Mini Drone offers multiple fun flight modes, including 3D flips and the ability to draw a flight path on your smartphone. It also supports voice and gesture control, making it an interactive and enjoyable flying experience. The DyineeFy Mini Drone, on the other hand, comes with features like headless mode, altitude hold, and 360-degree flips. Both drones offer unique and exciting flight experiences, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. Battery life is an important factor to consider when choosing a mini drone. The Mini Drone comes with two rechargeable batteries that provide a total flight time of 18 to 21 minutes. This gives you more time in the air before needing to recharge. The DyineeFy Mini Drone, on the other hand, offers a flight time of 8 to 15 minutes. If longer flight sessions are important to you, the Mini Drone has the advantage in this category. Safety is always a priority, especially when it comes to flying drones. The Mini Drone features propeller guards and a low-power alarm, ensuring a safe flight experience. The DyineeFy Mini Drone also comes with propeller guards and has a durable design to withstand collisions and falls. Both drones prioritize safety so you can fly with peace of mind. Based on online reviews, here is the overall assessment of the two mini drones. And there you have it, our comparison of the Mini Drone and the DyineeFy Mini Drone. The Mini Drone offers a higher resolution camera and longer battery life, while the DyineeFy Mini Drone is more affordable. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information on these products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.